Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make some cheap, easy and realistic looking gum foam. Just like this. But it's not so expensive. So let's get started. So all you'll need is a bit of sawdust and some paint. I recommend this apple barrel paint. Seems to work pretty good. I picked it up at Walmart. So yeah, let's get to it. So I'll just add just a little bit of this. Doesn't take much. If you overdo it, you'll end up with a mushy mess. Mix this up. I didn't sift this stuff. Probably it'll look better probably if you sift it. Slight brown. You don't want it to be like wet with paint. If you get it there, just add a bit more sawdust. So it's pretty dry. See, you can just get whatever color paint you want. Add just a little tiny bit more. And you don't want to probably, while it's drying, you probably don't want it too thick of a layer. You might want to lay it out on something so it can dry light. So yeah. That's all for today's video, guys. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.